Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi Bhagwakar. I am from Maharaja Agrasen International School. Today I am going to teach you English grammar and my topic is comparison. Comparison itself means that we are going to compare the things. What is the definition of comparison? We use adjectives to compare two or more people, animals or things. Adjectives are categorized in 3 degrees, that is comparative degree, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First we will see about positive degree. An adjective that does not show any comparison is called positive degree. Example, the dog is big. Now this dog is not compared with anyone, so this is called as a positive degree. Next is comparative degree. The comparative form of adjective or adverb compares two things. Example, the dog is big, the horse is bigger. Now here I am going to compare two animals. Okay, so the dog is big, the horse is bigger. So we can use as the horse is bigger than the dog. When we compare two things, we add er at the end of the word as well as we use than. So whenever we are using than, we will be clear that this is comparative degree. For example, the boy is tall but the man is taller. So we can say the man is taller than the boy. A car is fast but an aeroplane is faster. So we can use an aeroplane is faster than the car. The turtle is slow but the snail is slower. So the snail is slower than the turtle. Compares more than 3 things. So Batman is strong. Superman is stronger than Batman. The Hulk is the strongest than all of them. When we compare 3 things, more than 2 things or more than 3 things, we add est at the end of the word and we use the article the with the superlative degree. For example, the boy is tall but the man is taller. The giraffe is the tallest of them all. A car is fast but an aeroplane is faster. A jet is the fastest of 3. The turtle is slow but the snail is slower. The slug who is feeling sluggish is the slowest among all. Now if the word has 1 syllable, we add er or est at the end. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Right? So where we see 1 syllable, we have to add er or est. Next is fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. Strong, stronger and strongest. For some of the words we use CVC pattern. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. So when the consonant is at last, we have to double the last consonant and before adding er or est at the end. So what we will write? See this one, big is consonant, I is vowel and G is consonant. So we have to double this last consonant. So that will be big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Now here we can see for 2 syllable adjectives or adverbs at end in Y, if the 2 syllable adjectives or adverb that ends with Y, we have to remove that Y and add I and we have to add er or est. For example, my cat is grumpy. My brother's cat is grumpier. Now, my friend's cat, the grumpiest of all. To some adjectives that end in E, we add only R or ST. Example, large. Now, larger, already E is there, so we will add only R. And in largest, E is there, so we will add only ST. Sometimes in few words that they are long, so just add more to the comparative degree, most to the superlative degree. Example, interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now some words are like rule breakers. Some words they don't have any rules. So at that time we have to use different words for comparative and superlative. That are examples are good, better, best. bad, worse, worst, many, more, most. Thank you so much. I hope you all might have understood. Thank you.